Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we try the most profitable strategies for binary options trading. Guys, use my personal promo code and get an extra 50% on your initial deposit of at least $50. Just imagine guys, you can invest $1,000 and you'll get 1,500 bucks above your deposit. Do it right now and let's crush the market together. Today we are gonna need the following indicators. It's gonna be the ADX and the Keltner channel. So there it is, and what is remarkable, we don't change anything, we keep the settings as they are, and the only thing I'm going to do is to change the color or the moving average, and just for the comfort, the plus D is going to be green and red is going to be red. Okay, so what is about the strategy? Look guys, we got several signals to pay attention to. First of all, we look at the ADX and we're gonna watch the dynamics of the moon average and then go from there. And also we're gonna watch the touches of the lower and upper boundaries of the Kelvin channel. Also, when the price enters the channel, we're gonna play out all this. Okay, also, we are going to pay attention to the support and resistance zones, updating of the local highs and local lows, and that will do guys. All the currency pairs have been picked and there are 167 bags on the balance. We trade for all the money on a 1 minute time frame as usual. And let's get started. We are gonna analyze the market first and let's see that do we got here guys. So I like this one, and let's open the long positions right way. I'm gonna explain the principle of the trade entry. So the price things to notice, and is that the plus line is at the bottom, and we expect a little pullback to the upside. Also, I want to say that the price hit the support zone here. We see the pullback here, then some upward dynamics. So the price entered the channel, after which the price broke through the channel here, broke the channel to the downside, and we are expecting to the pullback. And then the price should come back inside the channel again, and basically the correction should be over by now. At least a small pullback will definitely happen. Although we observe the downtrend here and the pullback should take place. And there it is guys, look at this beautiful breakout, exactly as we expected guys. We're gonna profit and we already see good pullback on the ADX and the first position is in the profits. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. Let's open a short position guys. I think we got perfect trade entry level and we observe the reversal on the ADX. So small correction should take place. Basically the moving averages are in the upper area. Previously there was a strong upward movement. The price broke through the upper boundary of the channel and a small correction should follow up. Also take a look at this resistance zone, and it's very likely that the rebound will happen. At least a small correction should take place guys. We count on that. Probably the price is going to retest the upper boundary of the current channel, and so we'll see guys. Look at the inception of the red candle here, and let's see guys. Our position having closed in profits. There are 550 bags on the balance, and let's update the trade amount guys. Everything is pretty simple as you can see. I hope you already understood the principle of the strategy, and let's continue guys. This pair looks promising and we are gonna open a short position guys. We caught a nice trade entry level. First of all, we see the crossing of the plus and minus D. The plus line should move down a little bit, I guess, because there was a strong upward dynamics here. Strong pullback did happen, after which we see the touch on the upper boundary of the channel. False breakout has happened because we see this weak, and now we are expecting the price to move lower inside the channel again. Small correction should happen even according to logic. we see, I guess, 7 consecutive green candles and a red candle just show up. Also pay attention to this important resistance zone. We see this rejection here and there. So now it's not gonna be an exception, and yep guys, our position is in profits. As you can see, the red candle has evenly showed up and we got almost 700 bucks. Unfortunately, this currency pair has a low payout rate, but that's fine. And let's continue guys. So let's open another short here. We observe a strong bullish impulse here. We caught a perfect level here. I want to bring to your attention the crossing of the moving average on the ADX. They are heading upwards, but now we expect some downward dynamics. Plus line should go into correction, and we see that the price broke out of the channel here. Previously, there was a strong upward dynamics, after which a small correction did happen, and then this pullback again. So all the local high was updated, and by the way, here is this important resistance zone, and the downward trend should be continued. As simple as that guys, that's why we opened the short here. And yep, as you can see, our position had been closing profits. There is no stopping here. Let's find another currency pair. So guys, let's open a long position. Let me clarify. First of all, there is the crossing of the moving average on the ADX. The reversal should take place, and previously there was this downward dynamics, after which a pullback should happen. Also, the price broke through the lower boundary of the Kelton channel. And also here we have this strong support zone, then a small pullback is likely to happen. So the price is gonna come back inside the channel, and let's see guys. Our position is in profit, the price enters the channel again as exactly as we predicted, and we got $2,000 on the balance, and let's continue guys. So let's open two short positions here. This currency pair has a good payout rate. If you look at the ADX, we see the crossing of the moving average, and we expect to see the reversal. Basically, we observe the sideways trend on the chart in this zone to be exact. So here is the touch of the upper boundary of the Kelton channel did happen, and the correction should take place now, and the price is gonna continue this sideways movement. So the volatility is kind of low here. Basically, the upward trend has finished, and now the price is trying to determine its direction, because we see this double bottom pattern here. However, previously there was more upward dynamics, and let's see guys. And there we go, our position had been closed on profits. However, one position ended up with 0, but it doesn't matter, no big deal. Let's continue the trading session. So let's open our long positions here and another 800. So first of all, we see that the minus line is almost at the top. The plus line is at the bottom. These things should be fixed. The correction to the upside should happen after all. There was this huge dump and the price broke through the lower boundary of the channel. The price started going down, after which this support level played out, and there were several rebounds in the past. And at the same time, think is gonna happen now. The pullback should happen. And yeah guys, the green candles has already showed up. And let's watch. And yep guys, our positions have been closed in profits. So there is no stopping here. Let's continue making money guys. Well, I think it makes sense to open a short here. I think we got lucky, got a great entry level. First of all, we see that the ADX moving average is at the bottom, and there was the crossing of the plus and minus lines. Then we should definitely observe some downward dynamics in the short term. Basically, we see more sideways movement in this zone. You can see this sideways. And here is the false breakout from the Kelvin channel, after which we should see the correction to the downside. Actually, the touch took place here and there, and the correction followed up every time. So we count on that. We can also point out this resistance zone, and there we go, guys. Our positions having closing profits. Let's continue, guys, and open our final positions. And of course, after that, we fix the profit. We have some kind of accumulation zone here, but anyway, it makes sense to open the short positions. We got a great entry level here, lucky for us. Take a look at the reversal on the ADX, and ADX moving average is at the peak level now. The correction is gonna happen. Also, the minus line is at the bottom, and this should be fixed. The downward dynamics should take place, and I suppose the price reached the support level, and the price should go into correction. As simple as that, guys. The price broke out of the Kelvin channel, and then we see the rebound here, and I guess the price should retest the upper boundary of the Kelvin channel. And yep, guys, look at this perfect trade entry, and here is the inception of the red candle, and there are several seconds left, and there we go, guys. Our position is in a profit. We got $12,000 on balance. Perfect outcome, guys. And let's withdraw the money. I think it's gonna be enough for today. And let's withdraw the money. I think we withdraw 12,700 to my Bitcoin wallet. And I'm gonna put down the code, guys. So there we go. Our transaction has been processed. I will touch the screen as usual. So I hope you understood how to use this strategy, guys. This one is simple as always. Thanks for watching and see you guys.